What's going on, guys? Faded Louie here, bringing guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a mid fade on one of my clients, so stay tuned. We're going to be starting off by saturating the hair and combing everything in place. Once we're done doing that, we switched over to our GoToFX and created our first guideline. You always want to make sure you contour this first guideline to their head shape. Now that we're done balding them out, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Remember to always use your lever all the way closed and midway to help you erase that initial guideline. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Thank you. Now that we're done softening up the line with the one guard, we can switch over to our half guard and erase the line completely. Remember to always use your lever when blending between guidelines. Now that we're done with our lower guards, we can move on to our two guard all the way open and create our fourth guideline. With this same guard, you're going to use the lever to soften up the line and get it ready for the 1.5 guard. You also want to make sure you're feeding the hair into the clipper with your comb. Now that we're done softening up the line with the two guard, we can move on to our 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. Here we're going back to our half guard and we're detailing between the no guard all the way open and the one guard all the way open. Moving on to our 3 guard all the way open, we're using the comb to feed the hair into the clipper, and we're continuing to debulk and blend. Now that we're done using our 3-guard all the way open, we're going to switch over to our clipper oval comb method. When the cutting blade is tilted horizontally, I'm debulking, and when the cutting blade is tilted vertically, I'm blending. You also want to make sure the hair is slightly saturated so the comb can pick up the hair. Here we're continuing the detail with our previous guards. Moving on to the C-cup area, I usually start off at the bottom and work my way to the top arch. Remember to go slow and make sure the hair is feeding into the teeth of the trimmer. Now that we're done lining up the C-cup, we can continue to detail the fade with our clipper oval comb method. Moving on to the back side, we're continuing with our no guard all the way open, creating our second guideline. Remember to use the lever all the way closed and midway to help you erase that initial guideline. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to the 1 guard all the way open and create our third guideline. Switching over to our 2 guard all the way open, we're creating our 4th guideline, getting it ready for the 1.5 guard. Remember to use the lever to soften up the line. Now that we're done softening up the line with the 2 guard, we can move on to the 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. We are nearing the occipital bone, so you want to make sure you take more time and detail. Moving on to our 3 guard all the way open, we're continuing to debulk and blend. Now we're moving on to our clipper oval comb method, and we're continuing to debulk and blend. Remember to tilt your comb at a 45-degree angle. Now I'm detailing with my previous guard, switching over to my 3 guard all the way open and 2 guard all the way open. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Also, leave a comment down below if you made it this far into the video. I'm definitely gonna reply. Now that we're done with the blend, we can move on to our Turkish razor and Derby Premium blades and get them as crispy as possible. We're also gonna be doing his eyebrows and mustache. You always want to make sure you stretch the skin and keep the blade at a 45-degree angle.